Hello everybody, today I'm going to be talking about my honours project, which all of you will do eventually as well. Okay, so my topic was Journey to Mars, and my project was to try and recruit people for a journey to Mars and try to make a design and create a model rocket. This will help to explore and learn about Mars and push many brave volunteers out of their comfort zones. I have learned many things about space travel and different types of materials. I have learned about different insulation materials such as aerogel. I have also learned about stronger industrial materials such as titanium and aluminium lithium. I have learned about microgravity and space travel, small compact houses, and much more. My favorite topic was learning the difference between mass and weight. Very interesting. Did you know that mass is how much something weighs, weight is how much gravity pulls on an object? Right now, astronauts are conducting experiments about how plants grow in microgravity and other really cool topics. When a person goes into space, their weight stays the same, but their mass changes drastically. Sorry, that should be the other way around. Their mass stays the same and their weight changes drastically. So my part 2 is the rooms on my rocket include sleeping quarters with reserved capsules for each astronaut, which they can decorate with posters and make it really cool and personal to themselves. A gym for astronauts to use and stay fit. Since there is a little bit of gravity on Mars, like a very, very little amount, in the gym they would use extremely heavy weights, which hopefully, since they're so heavy, they would have about the same amount of about the same weight as they would on Earth, but different mass. A computer tech and experiment room. This is the largest delegated area on the rocket, because it's also be like a communal room for where everybody will probably be in the day doing experiments and such things. A kitchen with food from different cultures so that the astronauts can feel at home no matter where they come from, such as like curries and kind of a little bit of food for every part of the world, so you can also experience different cultures while you're staying on a different planet. And a toilet so the astronauts don't have to hold it in. My rocket materials 3D to real life. Real life I chose styrofoam to represent aerogel, as they look quite similar and serve the same purpose. I chose foil wrapped card as the shiny colour, and hard but flimsy feel of the card would represent lithium well. And for the 3D model I chose titanium because it is a very strong metal used in rocket ships present day. And I chose aerogel because NASA used it to make the ISS and plenty of ships they launch into space present day. So that's my drawing, and then that's my digital design, and this is it labeled. So at the top you've got the captain's area and control room. I wasn't able to put a window in there, but that's where the window would go if you need to be able to see out. And then you've got the gym, the staff quarters, and the fuel storage. As you can see in this one, the fuel storage actually goes up the sides and takes up most of the bottom half of the rocket, so that the stuff at the bottom would be used mostly in like getting you off Earth, and then this stuff at the side would be used when you're traveling through space. So these are the 3 main parts of my rocket. The control room is to host all the scientific experiments, gear and equipment that you could possibly need for your luxurious journey. It houses steering controls, the entire NASA contact list, gravity controls, power and light usage for the entire rocket, and all the stats about your mission. The all-access gym holds everything you will need to stay fit and healthy during your travels. This will help you ease into gravity when you return to Earth. The gym has aircon and multiple outlets, so you can binge watch your favorite shows while working out. The luxurious staff quarters consist of technology, Wi-Fi, and large and spacious pods for every astronaut. They come with a brand new pair of clean sheets, full air conditioning access and a light adjuster and a mini fridge that you can restock every day with the push of a button. This is mostly meant as like an advertisement for my rocket, for anybody who might want to come on the rocket. I've really highlighted all of the things that make me happy, like air conditioning and mini fridges and shows. And my project, what did I like best about my project? I enjoyed building and seeing my model come together before my very eyes. It was really fun and interesting to experiment with new and different building materials and see how they work in the building of a model. And what has been a challenge? It was challenging in the early stages of my project to meet all of the criteria every week. But I like a challenge, and I believe it would have been great prep for middle school. What parts of my rocket worked well? I believe that the part of my rocket that worked well was adding foil on the outside of my rocket and then completely coating it in clear glue to symbolize the insulation gel. And the foil looks reflective and so solar panel-ish. I like the effect that they have aesthetically. Thank you for listening.